Hello, my dear English learners, and welcome back to the English Zone podcast, where we help you speak English naturally, confidently, and without fear.
Today's topic is very powerful, very simple, and very realistic, especially for busy learners who think they do not have enough time to learn English.
We're going to show you how to improve your English speaking in just 10 minutes a day, using an easy and practical method that anyone can follow.
Many learners believe they must study for hours, buy expensive courses, or move to an English-speaking country to become fluent.
But the truth is, many fluent speakers improved their English with small daily habits, not huge study plans.
So today, we will guide you step by step, explain common struggles, share real stories, and give you a clear daily speaking routine.
Let's be honest for a moment, because many learners feel frustrated, tired, and even ashamed about their English speaking.
They understand English when listening or reading, but when they try to speak, their mind feels empty and their words disappear.
Some learners tell us, "I know the words, but I cannot make sentences." And others say, "I am afraid people will laugh at my accent."
This fear is very common, and it is not a sign that you are bad at English.
It is simply because speaking is a skill, and skills need practice, just like playing the piano or driving a car.
Many learners only study grammar and vocabulary, but they never train their mouth to speak English sounds.
So, when they finally try to speak, it feels strange, slow, and uncomfortable.
Here is an important truth. Your brain learns languages best with daily repetition, not long and rare study sessions.
If you study English for 3 hours once a week, your brain forgets most of it before the next lesson.
But if you speak English for 10 minutes every day, your brain builds strong speaking habits.
Think about brushing your teeth. You do it every day for a few minutes, and it keeps your teeth healthy.
Speaking English is the same. Small daily practice keeps your English alive.
In the first 3 minutes, you talk about your real life, your day, your feelings, and your plans.
You do not need a teacher, a partner, or perfect grammar. You only need your voice and simple sentences.
For example, you can say, "Today I woke up at 7, I felt sleepy, and I drank coffee in the kitchen."
You can also say, "I want to improve my English because I want a better job and international friends."
This step is important because your brain already knows your life, so you focus only on speaking English.
Many learners think they need difficult topics like politics or science, but daily life is the best topic for beginners.
In the next 3 minutes, you listen to a short English sentence and repeat it loudly.
This is called shadowing, and it is one of the fastest ways to improve pronunciation and fluency.
For example, listen to a sentence like, "I am learning English every day to become more confident," and repeat it slowly.
Then repeat it again with the same rhythm, stress, and intonation as the speaker.
Your mouth learns English music, and your brain learns natural sentence patterns.
You can use YouTube videos, podcasts, movies, or audiobooks for this practice.
Now you take new words and create your own sentences, even if they are simple and short.
If you learned the word practice, you can say, "I practice English 10 minutes every day after dinner."
If you learned the word confidence, you can say, "My confidence grows when I speak English daily."
This step turns passive learning into active speaking, and this is how real fluency grows.
The last minute is very special because it trains your mindset, not just your language.
Say positive sentences like, "My English is improving every day," and "I am not afraid to speak English."
Your brain listens to your voice and your confidence slowly becomes real.
Let me tell you a longer story about a learner named Sophia, who was very shy and silent in English class.
Sophia understood English very well, but she never raised her hand or spoke in class.
She was afraid her classmates would laugh at her pronunciation and grammar mistakes.
One day, she decided to try the 10-minute daily speaking method before going to bed.
At first, she felt silly talking to herself in English, and she made many mistakes.
But after 1 month, she noticed she could speak faster and think less in her native language.
After 6 months, she started speaking in class and answering questions without fear.
After 1 year, she joined an international club and made friends from different countries.
She said that 10 minutes a day changed her life more than years of silent study.
Many learners think they must wait until their grammar is perfect before speaking, which is a very harmful belief.
Others memorize long word lists but never use those words in real sentences.
Some learners stop practicing because they think their accent is ugly, but accents are part of your identity.
Another mistake is studying too much in one day and then stopping for weeks because they feel tired.
Consistency is more important than intensity when learning to speak English.
Make your 10-minute practice a daily ritual, like drinking coffee or checking your phone.
Record your voice once a week and listen to your progress, because hearing improvement is very motivating.
Set small goals, like speaking for 30 days without stopping, and reward yourself when you succeed.
Remember that fluency is not a miracle. It is the result of small, daily actions.
Speaking English can help you travel, study abroad, get international jobs, and meet people from all over the world.
It allows you to share your ideas, your culture, and your personality with millions of people.
English gives you access to global knowledge, movies, books, courses, and opportunities.
When you speak English, you are not just learning a language, you are expanding your world.
You do not need talent. You do not need perfect teachers, and you do not need expensive courses to start speaking English.
You only need 10 minutes, your voice, and the courage to speak today.
Start with one sentence, then 2 sentences, then a small conversation with yourself.
One day, you will look back and be amazed at how far your English has come.
Speak today, speak tomorrow, and speak every day, because your voice matters.
Thank you for listening to the English Zone podcast. And remember, fluency starts with a single spoken sentence.
See you in the next lesson, and keep practicing every single day, even for just 10 minutes.